Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to start investing with $100 or less. You don't need a lot of money to start growing your wealth. Small amounts can make a big difference over time. Let's explore some smart, simple ways to start investing with minimal funds. Starting an investment journey with $100 or less is not only possible but also a great way to begin building wealth. With today's accessible digital tools and platforms, small amounts of capital can be effectively invested, allowing beginners to benefit from compound growth over time. Here's a guide on how to invest with minimal capital, covering several strategies to help you get the most out of every dollar. 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest. With $100, you can invest in several small loans, each with varying degrees of risk. Although peer-to-peer lending carries a higher risk than other investments, it can provide returns that are better than traditional savings accounts or bonds. Just remember to evaluate each borrower's risk profile carefully to avoid potential losses. 9. Start a self-improvement investment fund. Investing in yourself can yield tremendous returns, especially at the beginning of your financial journey. Use $100 to purchase books on investing, sign up for a course, or attend workshops that teach valuable skills. Whether you're interested in improving your financial literacy, learning how to code, or understanding the basics of entrepreneurship, this knowledge can have a profound impact on your earning potential. Personal development and education are among the best investments you can make, and they often have lasting effects on both your personal and financial success. 8. Invest in real estate via REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across a range of sectors. Investing in REITs provides the benefits of real estate ownership without needing large capital, as they allow you to buy shares in real estate portfolios. With $100, you can invest in publicly traded REITs through most brokerage accounts. REITs pay dividends, making them a good choice for investors looking for passive income streams, while their value can appreciate over time as well. 7. Put money in a 401 or IRA. If you're employed, your company may offer a 401 retirement plan with matching contributions, allowing you to invest pre-tax dollars for retirement. Even if you don't have access to a 401, opening an individual retirement account, IRA, with just $100 is possible. IRAs allow you to grow investments tax-free, Roth IRA, or tax-deferred, traditional IRA, giving your money more time to compound. This long-term investment strategy is beneficial for young investors, as it maximizes the growth potential of small contributions over several decades. 6. Explore robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that manage your money based on your goals and risk tolerance. Companies like Betterment, Wealthfront, and SoFi Invest provide access to robo-advisory services for a low starting amount, often with no minimums or very low minimums to begin. They typically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, automatically adjusting and rebalancing as needed. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is perfect for beginners who prefer a hands-off investment style while still benefiting from a professionally designed portfolio. 5. Invest in bonds or bond funds. Bonds are lower-risk securities that pay interest over time. While $100 may not be enough to buy an individual bond ETFs or mutual funds are accessible with this amount on most platforms. Bonds are ideal for conservative investors because they offer a stable source of income and help reduce volatility in a portfolio. Bond ETFs are particularly suitable because they offer broad exposure to various bonds, making it possible to invest in government or corporate bonds with a small amount. 4. Try fractional shares of stocks. Not long ago, investing in stocks meant buying whole shares, which could cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. However, with fractional share investing on platforms like Robinhood and Charles Schwab, you can purchase a portion of a high-priced stock with just a few dollars. This is a great way to invest in top-performing companies like Amazon or Google without needing substantial funds up front. Fractional shares allow you to diversify your portfolio and spread your $100 across several stocks, increasing your exposure to different sectors of the economy. 3. Consider exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are bundles of securities, like stocks or bonds that trade on exchanges. With as little as $100, you can buy a share of an ETF that exposes you to a broad range of assets, like the S&P 500, which represents the largest 500 companies in the U.S. Many online brokers offer zero commission trades, so you won't lose any of your $100 to trading fees. ETFs provide diversification, lowering the risks associated with investing in individual stocks and making them a safe choice for beginners. 2. Use micro-investing apps. Micro-investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood have made it easier than ever to invest small amounts of money. Acorns, for example, rounds up your daily purchases and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio. Stash lets you invest in fractional shares of individual companies, so you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start. These apps often require just $5 to get started and offer beginner-friendly resources to help you learn as you invest. 1. Invest in a high-yield savings account. High-yield savings accounts can be an excellent starting point. They're a safe place to hold money while you decide on other investment options, and they offer interest rates significantly higher than traditional savings accounts. Many online banks provide high-yield savings accounts with minimal or no account fees, and you can often start with as little as $1. These accounts are FDIC insured, ensuring your funds remain secure. Although high-yield savings accounts won't make you wealthy, they're ideal for building a small emergency fund and creating a habit of saving. Getting started with small investments. Starting small has its advantages, especially when you're new to investing. You can experiment with different options, assess your comfort with risk, and gradually learn more about the investment process. Once you feel more confident, consider increasing your contributions or diversifying into other assets. While $100 might seem like a small amount, the power of compound interest allows even modest investments to grow substantially over time. Building a portfolio that combines different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., can maximize returns and manage risk. Thanks for watching. Starting with just $100 can set you on the path to financial growth and investing success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more personal finance advice. Happy investing, and remember, every dollar counts.